Hey everybody, if you're ready to choose a CRM for your entire company, well, you already know how it usually goes. You had a few demos, spreadsheets, and a lot of opinions. And somehow, everybody still feels unsure at the end. Let's say you're selecting a company-wide CRM platform. Sales needs pipeline visibility, marketing wants clean data, operations cares about integrations, and IT is focused on security and compliance. Of course, price matters, but it's definitely not the only thing that matters. Traditionally, the process lives across emails, shared docs, and spreadsheets. Vendor will send in the responses in different formats, the stakeholders weigh in at different times, and when leadership asks, well, why did we choose the CRM? The answer isn't always clear or documented. So instead, let's run this as a structured RFP process using PowerRFP. Not to slow things down, but to make sure the right decision is made and everybody can stand behind it. The first thing we want to do is by clearly defining the requirements for a company-wide CRM. This might include things like minimum user counts, permission levels, required integrations with tools like email, accounting, marketing platforms. Reporting and dashboards are needed for leadership, and data residency and security standards and compliance requirements for IT. So these requirements, they should be documented once and shared with every vendor. So there's no ambiguity and there's no assumptions. Next, we ask vendors the same structured questions, so responses can be directly comparable. For example, how does your CRM handle data migration from an existing system? What native integrations are included and which require third-party tools? What security certificates do you maintain, such as SOC 2 or ISO standards? And of course, what onboarding and training support is included post-implementation? This ensures that we're evaluating real capabilities, not just sales messaging. Okay, so step 3. Before any responses come in, we need to define how vendors will be scored. For this CRM RFP, evaluation criteria may include core functionality and usability, integration capabilities, security and compliance, implementation and support, and of course, total cost of ownership. Each category is weighed so everybody understands what matters the most before reviewing responses. The secret is to weigh every category before, so everybody understands what matters the most before reviewing any of the responses. Right, next, vendors submit responses directly through PowerRFP using the same format. This means no custom spreadsheets, no PDF comparisons, and no chasing missing information. Everything is centralized and easy to review. So once the responses are in, all the stakeholders can review vendors side by side. Each reviewer scores vendors against the same evaluation criteria and can leave comments directly on specific answers. The result is a clear defensible rating, backed by both the quantitative scores and qualitative feedback. So once we gather all the scoring and everything is complete, the final decision should be clear and documented. You can see exactly why one CRM ranked higher than another, and that record is saved if you ever need it later. The best part, the next time you need to evaluate software or even revisit the CRM in a few years, you can duplicate the entire project and start from a proven framework instead of going from scratch. If selecting core software like a CRM is something that your team deals with regularly, PowerRFP helps you run that process the same way, every time, structured, defensible, and a lot less stressful. So, try PowerRFP for free today.